Welcome to Dabdo's Delicious Dishes. Today, we're making a delightful snack that's perfect for any occasion. Cheese corn fritters. These fritters are crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside, and packed with sweet corn flavor. Let's get started! Ingredients. 1 cup fresh or canned corn kernels, drained if using canned. 2 cup shredded cheddar cheese. 104 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 4 1.2 cup all-purpose flour. 5 1.4 cup cornmeal. 6 1.2 teaspoon baking powder. 7 1/2 teaspoon salt. 8 1.4 teaspoon black pepper. 9 1/4 teaspoon paprika. 2 large eggs. 11 1/4 cup milk. 12 2 green onions finely chopped. 13 2 tablespoons fresh parsley chopped. 14 vegetable oil for frying. Instructions. Prepare the batter. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the corn kernels, shredded cheddar cheese, and grated Parmesan cheese. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cornmeal, baking powder, salt, black pepper, and paprika. Combine ingredients. 1. Add the dry ingredients to the corn and cheese mixture. 1. Stir to combine. 2. In another bowl, beat the eggs and then add the milk. 2. Mix well. 3. Pour the egg mixture into the corn and flour mixture. 3. Stir until well combined. 4. Fold in the chopped green onions and parsley. Heat the oil. 1. In a large skillet, heat about 1/4 inch of vegetable oil over medium-high heat until hot. Fry the fritters. 1. Drop spoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil, flattening them slightly with the back of the spoon. 2. Fry the fritters for about 2-3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and crispy. 3. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the fritters to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. 1. Serve the cheese corn fritters hot, garnished with extra chopped parsley if desired. 1. They are delicious on their own or with a dipping sauce like sour cream, ranch, or spicy mayo. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Dabdo's Delicious Dishes for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!